What if 2050 isn't about surviving chaos, but stepping into balance? Imagine cities that breathe, a planet where clean air, clear water, and strong communities are normal. By 2050, we understand one truth. We're part of a living system. Forests regulate climate, oceans stabilize temperature, soil stores life beneath our feet. Cities are designed with nature, not against it. Buildings produce energy, waste becomes resource, pollution becomes outdated because intelligent design replaces it. Regeneration becomes the standard, clean transportation, circular production, restored ecosystems, efficient and sustainable move together. Food returns to its original purpose, nourishment. Whole foods, local sourcing, transparent practices. A healthy population creates a resilient future. Well-being expands beyond the physical. Mindfulness in schools, digital balance in homes. Presence replaces distraction. The world recognizes interdependence. Communities cooperate. Technology supports learning and health without dominating attention. Holistic World 2050 isn't about perfection. It's about alignment. And the future begins with what we choose today.